Hi.
Hi. Let me start our non-hit car app, and you can start driving.
Okay.
Now, with the help of this device, I will show you how a Volvo could work in the future. I will show you how Volvo will by 2020 reach their goal so that no one will be killed or seriously injured in a new Volvo car. And also how it will make the roads safe for other road users.
So is there like a secret magic robot in there, or what?
Not quite. Just a very intelligent car. So, let go of the wheel.
Let go of the wheel? Why?
Yes, and take your foot off the brake. Just for the test. We have to do this to actually see how the car behaves when an accident is about to happen.
Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa! How's that possible? So, what else can it do?
It can handle loads of different real-life traffic situations. It can see upcoming incidents according to current circumstances. And as you noticed, it reacts and brakes much faster than you. It has a unique vision, a sensor system that scans the surroundings in a 360-degree radius. It watches out for you and makes you safer. But remember, it's an aid, not an autopilot. Often the best way to avoid or reduce the consequences of an accident is to simply just brake, as we did with the Moose. But sometimes the best choice is to continue forward. Unfocused and fixing other stuff when driving? Is that how you behave sometimes?
Certainly not.
I sure hope not, because that's not recommended. Can you pick up the pen, please? Just for the test.
Okay, sure.
Now, let me show you what can happen with an unattentive driver.
Oh, very nice. So that means that I could do other things while I drive, right?
Not in this system. The non-hit research car is built to prevent you from all kind of accidents, not to be an autopilot. As I told you, it's an aid, not an auto driver. Yet. Let us continue to a very crowded intersection and we'll see what can happen.
This will be interesting.
Just continue at normal speed. Relax.
Whoa, come on, how was I supposed to see that?
See, even a very experienced driver can't see everything. But this research car can. It has eyes all around the car. It can analyze different incidents and see complex scenarios much faster than the human brain. It will help find the best solution.
Okay, you win. I am impressed.
As you clearly can see, this vision is revolutionary. Volvo's non-hit car system can help Volvo reach its vision that no accident should involve a Volvo vehicle by the year 2020. Now, I hope you're satisfied.
Well, quite satisfied, I think. Thank you.
Very well. Let's go back.